Namaskar children, this is Shraddha ma'am from New Era Global School, welcoming you all to our LKG English class. Let us start our class children with a prayer. Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karmadhye Saraswati, Karmulye tu Govindam, Prabhate Karadarshanam. Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karmadhye Saraswati, Karmulye tu Govindam, Prabhate Karadarshanam. Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karmadhye Saraswati, Karmulye tu Govindam, Prabhate Karadarshanam. Prabhate Karadarshanam, Prabhate Karadarshanam. Om, Om, Om. Rub your hands, children. Open your eyes slowly and Namaskar. Do you remember children in our last class what had we learned? We had seen our CVC words, but along with those CVC words, what had we learned? Yes, rhyming words. And what are rhyming words, children? Rhyming words are those words which have the same ending sound. Same ending sound. So let us see what we did in our last class and then today's classwork and homework. So do you remember children what had we done in the last class? Yes, I had written all these three CVC words here. F and fan, V and van. F and fan, V and van. Fan and van are rhyming words because they both have the same ending sound. Fan, van. For you to understand the rhyming words children, it is not only important to see the rhyming words कि इसमें an है, इसमें भी an है, इसलिए ये दोनों rhyming है. इसके साथ साथ you also have to hear them well. जब आप सुनोगे अच्छी तरह से तभी आपको पता चलेगा कि ये क्यों rhyming होते हैं. Fan, van, दोनों की आवाज एक जैसी है. That is why we call them rhyming words. Next was bib, rib, bib, rib. Next words were jet, net. Jet and net are rhyming words. Jet, net. Next words pot, hot. Pot, hot. And then after that, what had we seen? We had seen these CVC words. Cat, mat. Cat, mat are rhyming words. Then pen. Then pen. Fig, big. Fig, big. Fox, ox. Fox, ox. And the last was bus, bus. Bus, bus. Okay children. So today's classwork and homework is page number 60 of worksheet. And homework is page 62 of worksheet. Classwork page 60 of worksheet. Homework page 62 of worksheet. But before we start our classwork and homework children, I wish to show you a small activity of rhyming words. Okay children, now this is our activity of a tortoise, of a turtle. There are so many turtles here children. See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 turtles here. But the turtles have been divided into two halves. Okay children, into half. Okay, now the front of the turtles I have kept here. All the front of the turtles I have kept here. What we have to do is we have to find their other half. We have to find their other half part and match them. These are the rhyming words activity. Okay children, these are the turtles of the rhyming words. The first rhyming word is on this side and the second rhyming word is on this side, which we have to find and match. So are you ready to begin with me children? Yes? Okay. Let us see. Our first rhyming word says ba ba bun. Okay. Now, do you see its pattern, children? Do you see its pattern also? Yes. Bun has this pattern. Okay. So now in the other half, we will look for the rhyming word of bun and also if the pattern is matching. Okay, children. Now let us see the rhyming word of bun and the pattern also. Rhyming word bun has un in the last sound. So where is the un words? These are in un. I have found it here. It is sun. See the pattern, children. So I will take this and let me check whether yes, it is matching. See, bun, sun. They are both rhyming words. They have the same ending sound. Bun, sun. Very good. And the pattern is also matching. Very good. Now let us see the second turtle. Says apple. Map. Let us see its pattern also. Okay. It has app sound. Now from the other half of these turtles, let us see where is the app sound. In app. I got it here, children. And see, even the pattern is matching. See, their pattern is matching. Okay. Let us match it here. See whether it's, oh yes, it is matching. What does the word say? Apple. Cap. App, map, cap. They are both rhyming words and the pattern is also matching. Okay, very good, excellent, children. Now let us see. We have two more left on this side. The first one says hen. Standing line, sorry. Let us see its pattern. Standing line, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing. This is its pattern. Now let us see out of these two, which can be the rhyming word of hen, children? Tin or pen? Hen, pen. It has N in the end. And the pattern is also matching. So what will I do? I will take it and I will place it here. Oh yes, it's the exact match. Very good. Let us read it, children. The pattern is also matching. Now let us read it. Hen, pen, hen, pen. These are two rhyming words. The last one says, yes, it is the correct match. It says pin, tin. Do you see, children? They have all got their other part. All the turtles are now complete. Bun, sun. Bun and sun are rhyming words. App, map, cap. Map and cap are rhyming words. Ha and hen, pa and pen. Hen and pen are rhyming words. Pa in pin, ta in tin. Pin and tin are rhyming words. Bun, sun. Mac, cap. Hen, pen. Pin, tin. Okay, now let us move on to our next part of the puzzle, children. What is the first puzzle say? Top, 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 top. See its pattern, children. Curve, curve. Let us look for this kind of pattern, children. Is it this one, children? Let us match and see. No, this is not the correct one. This has op in the end. Let us see which other part of the turtle has op. 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 Good. This is the right match. Let us see. Oh yes, the pattern is also matching, children. Very good. Okay, let us read both of them. Op. Op. Mop. Mop. Op. Op. Top. 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 Op. Mop. Top and mop are rhyming words. Excellent. Now let us see the second one, children. It says bug, 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 bug. Let us see the pattern, children. It has two curves. Do you see any other part having two curves? Is it this one? Yes, let us check. Oh no, this is not the correct match. It has ugh in the end. Ugh, ugh. Which out of these three are ugh words, children? Exactly. Hug, hug, hug. See, the child and the mother are hugging each other. Bug and hug. Bug, bug. Hug, hug. And the pattern is also matching. These are two rhyming words. Bug and hug. Okay. Now let us check the other one. K-ar, 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 car, car. Pattern. Okay. Out of these two, which is the correct pattern? This has R in the end. R. Which of these two has the R sound? Pig, jar, jar. Correct, jar. And even the pattern is matching, children. Did you check that? Good. Let us read them. K-ar, k-ar, car. Jar, 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 jar. And the pattern is also matching. Car, jar. Car, jar. Last one says the ig, dig. And I have this one. Oh yes, it is matching the pattern. Pig, pig, dig, pig are both rhyming words. So which words did we see here on this side? Top, mop, rhyming words. Top and mop. Bug and hug, rhyming words. Bug and hug. Car and jar, rhyming words. Car and jar. Dig and pig are rhyming words. Dig and pig. So children, did you all see what we did? We did a small activity of all these turtles which had been separated from their half. Now they are all full. And do you know what is this called? This is called the rhyming word puzzle. Rhyming word puzzles. I hope you enjoyed this activity, children. Now, once again, let us see our classwork homework and then we will proceed towards our worksheet classwork, which is on page number 60 and homework on page number 62 of worksheet. So, this is our term 1 LKG English worksheet. Now what do we have to see? We have to see page number 60. Page number 60. Okay children? So children, we will need our crayon colors for this activity. We will need our crayon colors for this activity. Now let us begin with reading this. Okay children, what does the heading say? Our heading says sing ping. Let us see. Sing ping, tell bell, talk walk, play say, run fun. Sing ping, tell bell, talk walk, play say, run and fun. They are all rhyming words. Rhyming is so easy, isn't it children? You have to just hear the voice. See, sing ping, tell bell, talk walk, play say, run fun. Rhyming is so easy. So now let us read the heading. But before that, what will we do? This is our classwork, therefore mention here CW and then here the date children. This is necessary and must for everyone, okay? Now our heading says let's color all the fishes which has rhyming words in yellow. So that means from all these fishes, जिन fishes में rhyming words है उन्हें हम yellow color करेंगे and color the fishes with green which does not have rhyming words. Yellow for the fish which has rhyming and not rhyming words, green color. So from our crayon box, let us see and take out green and yellow color. Green and yellow color children. So here is my color yellow and here is my color green. Are you also ready with your colors children? Let us begin. First fish has two words. Cob, 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 job, cob, job. Do you hear them rhyming? Are they rhyming children? Cob, job. Exactly, very good. They are rhyming. Therefore, I will take the yellow color and I will color this fish. Okay, children, because it has two rhyming words. Therefore, I have colored this fish in yellow color. In yellow, this is a fish which has eaten two rhyming words. They are both rhyming. Now next is rat, 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 run. Are these two rhyming children? At, un. Do you see? Are they rhyming? Rat, run, rat, run. Are they rhyming? No, they are not rhyming. They are not rhyming. They do not have the same ending sound. Rat, run. No. So, इस फिश ने तो दो अलग अलग राइमिंग वर्ड्स खा लिए हैं. अब इसके तो पेट में गड़बड़ है, इसीलिए हम इन्हें ग्रीन कलर की दवाई पिलाएंगे. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो लेट अस गिव दिस फिश मेडिसिन by coloring it green. It will soon feel well. Whenever you people are also not feeling well, mama or papa takes you to the doctor, right children? Now this fish by mistake has eaten two different rhyming words. They do not rhyme, children, and that is why it has stomach ache. So we have given it medicine of green color. Okay. Next is ha-ita, heater. Ha it hit. Ha-ota, hot. Are they rhyming, children? Hit, hot. Are they rhyming, children? No, they are not rhyming. So this fish has, oh my God, stomach ache. So what will we give it? What will we give it? Correct. We will give it medicine of green color. So let us start giving it the medicine, and soon this fish will feel better. Yes, children. The fish has eaten two different words which do not rhyme, and that is the reason we are giving it medicine which is of green color. Now do not worry, soon they will feel well. Okay, let's go to the next one, children. Beg, 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 beiga, big, beg, big, big. Do they rhyme, children? Is this correct? No. Beg, big. So what will we give this fish? Oh my God, it has bad stomach ache. It has eaten the wrong words. So we will give it our medicine of green color. Good children. These fishes will soon feel better because you people are taking care of it, isn't it? You people are taking care of it and giving it proper medicine on time. अगर थोड़ी सी भी लेट हो जाती तो उन लोगों को ज़्यादा पेट में दर्द होने लगता, ज़्यादा स्टमक एक होता, and then what would we do? So thank you that you people gave the green medicine to them in on time. Next one, children, let us read. Run, sun. Okay, let's do one more time. Run, sun. Are they rhyming, children? Do they have the same ending sound? Run, sun. Yes. Therefore, this fish will have yellow color because it has eaten both the rhyming words. So it has got a toffee. It has got a mango toffee, mango dolly. Even this fish had mango dolly. Even this fish has mango dolly because it has eaten both the rhyming words which are correct. Exactly. Now let us see, children. Okay. Now let us see. Next is, on this side. Okay, let's go. Bag. Rag, rag. Do you hear the same sound at the end of both the words? Bag and rag are rhyming words. Bag and rag are rhyming words. Therefore, we will give it mango toffee. Yummy. Soon we are going to have summer season, children. And what do we get during summer season? We get mango during summer season. And I know all of your favorite fruit is mango. Yummy, yummy. The raw mangoes are green, but the ripe mangoes are yellow or orange in color. So this fish has also got a toffee of mango because it has eaten the right rhyming words. Next one, children. B-o-y, b-o-y, boy, boy. B-i-n, b-i-n, b-in, bin. Boy, bin, boy, bin. Are they rhyming, children? Are they rhyming? Boy, bin. No, 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 no. They do not rhyme. So what will we give this fish? Like these ones? Exactly. Excellent, children. We will give this fish green medicine so that it will soon feel well. It will soon feel well. Because boy and bin do not rhyme. Boy and bin do not rhyme. It is not its fault. By mistake, this fish has eaten two wrong words, but they do not rhyme. So we have to give it medicine, green medicine. Done. Now it will feel better, children. Thank you. Next is eater. Eater, eater, feeder, feeder, it fit, eater, 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 sit, it sit, fit and sit are rhyming words. Fit and sit are rhyming words because at the end I hear the same sound, children. Fit and sit are rhyming words. Therefore, what will this fish get? Exactly. This fish will also get a mango toffee. Yummy, yummy mango sweet. Mangoes. Mango is also the fruit, king fruit. Okay. The king of the fruit. Okay, children. So, this fish is also having the correct set of rhyming words. Therefore, I have given it a mango dolly. So, now all our fishes are sorted. The ones which had the rhyming words got the mango dolly. The ones which did not have the rhyming words got the medicine. Okay, children. We are now done with page number 60, which was our class work. Okay. Now let us move on to page number 62. Oh, crook, 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 crook. What are these, children? What are these? They are birds, right, children? No, 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 no. What are they? They are frogs. They are frogs. And in which season do you see the frogs, children? In which season do you see the frogs? Do you see them in summer? Do you see them in winter? Or do you see them when it is raining? Rain, rain. When do you see these frogs, children? Exactly. We mostly see these frogs during rainy season. Crook, 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 crook. ऐसी आवाज करते हैं ना? So on this page, what do we have to do? Let us see. I saw some frogs on a log. I saw some frogs on a log. They like to log through the frog. They like to log through the frog. Which are the rhyming words? Frog, log. Frog, log. Okay. So, we have seen some frogs here which like to hop and log. Now, let's circle the frog having rhyming words and cross the frog having no rhyming word. Okay. So, this is our homework first of all. We will write here HW and today's date, children. So, what does this say? It says, you have to read these words the frog has eaten. Okay, the frogs also, just like the fishes, have eaten few words. Now you have to see whether they have eaten the correct set of rhyming words or not. Okay, and then if it is correct, put a tick. जैसे मैम आपको देते हैं ना राइट, ऐसे, सॉरी सर्कल, पुट अ सर्कल, and if it has eaten the wrong words, you put a cross. Okay, I will help you to do 2 of these. The rest 4 you can do with the help of your mama. Okay, but now since we have finished all the CVC words, children, you have to start reading. We have also done lot many sight words. So now you have to start reading. Your mama can help you, but only when you are unable to read. Otherwise, you should start reading now, children. Let us see. This frog has eaten pin, pin, pet. Let us think. Pin, pet, pin, pet. Are they rhyming, children? No. They are not rhyming. Therefore, I will cross this frog. Okay, I will cross this frog. Good, very good, children. Next, edited, in, tin, tin. Are they both rhyming, children? No. So I will cross it. Tin has different rhyming words. Sorry, different ending words. Okay, children. So I have crossed it. Okay, parents, there were few mistakes in this. So please help your child to do these words in this one. Sad and pad. Sad and pad. And in this one, log and jog. Log and jog. Okay, these two to be changed, please. So children, once again, what did we learn today? Page number 60 and page number 62. And what did we do? We did our activity of matching the tortoise to the other half part, which was rhyming words activity. Which was what, children? Rhyming words activity. We saw the rhyming words, we read them, we saw the pattern, and then we solved the rhyming word puzzle. So, once again, classwork homework and revision of what we did today. These are called rhyming words. Rhyming words have the same ending sound. Rhyming words have the same ending sound. So, children, I will meet you in the next class. But until then, learn CVC words so that you can do rhyming words properly. Yes? And most important of all, you have to learn phonic sounds. You have to learn phonic sounds. So children, be happy, be intelligent, and stay at home, be safe. Thank you. Namaskar. Have a good day.